Welcome back. Got another removal today, this time out in Blegari, and we've had a bit of a break, so we haven't been doing many removals the last couple of days, but there's quite a few coming up, so please be sure to subscribe to our channel and you'll see the interesting stuff that we're doing with the bees. But today, check this one out. It's bees in a what's it, a water meter? I think it's a water meter housing, or a place where tap is, where water meter is, and we're gonna go and check it out. I haven't inspected it yet, so I'm actually unsure of how big this swarm is or this hive is. It's going to be a bit of a surprise for me as well. We're on location now. Bees are in a water box. I think it's for the irrigation system, and they've been here for quite a while as far as I understand. So we're going to open it up shortly and then we'll be able to check. Also chatting with the owner, we may have figured out that this swarm might have split yesterday or the day before yesterday. So we'll be interested to see how many bees are actually inside the box and how big the comb is. So we're going to be here for a while. This is going to be a good couple of hours. Fairly big swarm, not too aggressive. Quite a bit of honey on the top, lots and lots of brood. So definitely a laying queen. I did see some queen cells on the first piece of comb we took out. So they might have split, but it's a very, very big swarm. So yeah, that's us for tonight, eh? Good couple of hours here. We'll keep the cameras rolling and you can track it.
Okay, we're rolling.
Okay.
Okay.
It was a big hive.
Hard removal. A ton of bees. A lot of comb.
So that was probably our second biggest removal, eh? Definitely the biggest we've done with the bee vac. But what I found with the vacuum as well is if we have the vacuum lower than us and we're vacuuming higher, it seems to work better. But I think it's because the bees can travel through the pipe.
It's less likely to get stuck.
Yeah.
Irrigation, yeah.
Yeah, it's on the ground. The vacuum's actually a little bit higher than where we're vacuuming. So you've got to get the bees to go from there all the way over the pipe and into the vacuum.
Which kind of struggles with, yeah.
Okay, so we're at Kailomi Apiary. We're gonna put the box on now. Try something a bit different this time. Last time it didn't work so well. Okay, so this is our second biggest swarm by my calculation. Thanks for watching this episode. We appreciate it. We're going to take this box out in the next day or so. Hopefully they'll move down into that box. If they don't, then we'll help them move down. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, click the notifications button, and you'll get notified when we do our next removal. Thanks very much. Just lift the camera so I can see your face as well.
What if I don't want it to see my face?